بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and merciful. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Hope you all will be good. This is your literature class for class 2. So first you have to take out your Oxford Reading Circle book. This is your Oxford Reading Circle book. And now today we are going to start a new poem. What is the name of this poem? Look at the board. This is chapter number 23rd and the name of this chapter is Two Little Kittens. Wow, it's very interesting name. So this poem is about kittens. How many kittens in this chapter? There are two kittens. So what will you do? You all will open page number 137. Get here. This is page number 137 and the chapter number is 23rd. What is the name of this chapter? Two Little Kittens. So read with teacher. Two little kittens. Two means we are talking about plural things. There are two kittens. Little means small and kittens. We are talking about young cat. So, two small young cat. The meaning of this chapter name is Two Little Kittens, Two Small Young Cat. Now let's start. Two little kittens. Two little kittens. One stormy night. Oh, stormy means feather. We are talking about feather. Feather with wind, rain, thunder, and lightning means weather was not good. Began to quarrel, argue. They started argue. Why? Why they are doing argue? Why? And then to fight. Oh, why it's happening? First we will read this chapter. After that we will discuss. One had a mouse, the other had none. And that's the way the quarrel began. I will have that mouse, said the biggest cat. You will have that mouse. We will see about that. I will have that mouse, said the eldest son. You shan't have the mouse, said the little one. I told you before, 'twas a stormy night when these two little kittens began to fight. One more thing I want to tell you that today we are not completing this story. We will complete in second class this story. So first we will read just this page number 137. So what's going on here? This poem is about two little kittens. How many kittens are there? Two little kittens. Now what are they doing? Two little kittens. And how was the weather? The weather was not good. Weather was means they are telling that a stormy night means weather with wind, rain, thunder, and lightning. Then began to quarrel. They both were fighting on one thing because one had a mouse, but the other had none. None means not any. One had a mouse and the other had none. So what are they saying? They are saying that it's mine, and that's the way the quarrel began. Oh, that is the reason. That's why they are fighting. I will have that mouse, said the biggest cat. There were two kittens. One was, you can say that one was small, but the one was biggest. So biggest cat was saying to a small one that I will have that mouse. You will have that mouse? Now the cat is asking to another that you will have that mouse. We will see about that. We will see about that. But now cat is confirming that do you have that mouse? I will have that mouse, said the eldest son. Now the cat was telling, the eldest son was telling that I will have that mouse. Okay, what is eldest means? Greatest stage means like we have elder brother, elder sister. So that is the meaning of eldest. You shan't have the mouse. Shan't, shall not. You shall not have the mouse, said the little one. There were two kittens, one was little, one was biggest. They both were fighting. They both were just saying to each other that I had a mouse, but do you have that mouse which we have seen? I told you before, those astronomy night. Those means it was who is telling us? The poet, the writer, the poet is telling us about this thing. When these two little kittens began to fight, when they both started to fight, then what happened? Then what happened? Weather was not good, and that was the stormy night. So weather was not good. That's why they cannot see easily that which mouse is it. That they were two kittens, but which mouse is it? They both were saying that it's means I will have that mouse, so you will have that mouse. They both are just talking. They both are discussing that do you have that mouse which we saw in that night. Oh, now what will be happen in this story? We will not complete this story. So for this completing story, you have to wait for next class. Now we will read some words. Look at the board and read with teacher. I am reading with spell, so you will also read Little. Little. Again read little. Little means small. Kittens. Kittens. Kittens, I have told you that young cat. Quarrel. Coral. Coral means argue. N O N E. None. None. Not any. S T O R M Y. Stormy. This is weather, means rain, thunder, lightning. Next, Eldest. Eldest. Shan and then T. This is called apostrophe. Shan't means shall not. TWAS. Toss means it was. BIGGEST. Biggest I have told you that it's a big from the small size. Now fight FIGHT. Fight means they are arguing. So read one more time with teacher in loud voice. First, we will read chapter number 23rd. So read the name with teacher. Two little kittens. Two little kittens. Now read with teacher. little kittens, coral, none, stormy, eldest, shunt, toss, biggest, fight. We will complete this story in next class, that what will be happen, will they be friend or not. But first I'm telling you about copy working, that how will you do. So first you have to make a title page. You have to make a title page, chapter number 23rd, two little kittens. You will make neat and clean title page, and now you have to do just words meaning. So what will you do? First you will draw lines for words meaning. You have to make this column. Here you will write words and here you will write meaning. Words, meaning. Now the first word, seized, grabbed hold of. Stormy weather with wind, rain, thunder, and lightning. Crept, moved along the ground quietly and slowly. So you have to complete just words meaning. Do your work neat and clean and complete your work on time. This word we will read another page, so you have to wait for completing the story. And what will you do? You all will read the chapter again and again. And if you have any confusion, any query, so you can ask to us. You have to complete the word, you have to read this chapter. Take a very good care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.